Okay, so we're back, and the third round, we are going to be doing a choose your own. So, what have you chosen?
I am going to make a jiggly glitter slime.
And I'm going to be making a crunchy butter slime.
Okay.
Okay!
Okay, should I start?
Yep.
Okay. I love my two little slimes. They're so cute.
Yeah, they're so cute. Mine got a little hard over time though.
Oh.
They just sat out and I just
Oh.
Is that
Well,
gonna be enough water on the outside?
I think that's okay. I'm happy with that
The
amount.
ratio.
I mean, I almost got carried away, but okay.
And also, by the way, it's going to be yellow. So.
Oh, that's still pretty low. A low amount. I think you did pretty good.
Where can we put this?
Oh, just
So heavy.
how about? Let's see, up over here maybe.
This so it doesn't. You know.
Or
Okay. Now I'm going to add my yellow food dye. So unscrew the cap. Two, three, I guess. I'm just gonna add two, and then I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, that's actually.
yeah, and it started to come together right away. So for a jiggly slime, do I bring
Look
it?
how neon that is!
Oh,
It
that's
kind of looks
cool.
the same as this one.
Yeah,
I guess that one's a little
maybe.
darker.
I mean, you could add some blue to it, and then it would be green, maybe. Wait, so mine already activated all the way. Is that the time to add the water, or is
Yes.
it too late? Oh.
You can add the water now. Okay, so now I'm gonna activate my slime, and then I'm gonna add the beads, and then I'm going to add the clay. So, yeah. Yeah, it'll go up eventually. Did you add all of it?
No, just a splash, really.
You might need more glue after that.
Oh no, you think?
Maybe.
Oh
I don't
no.
know.
You said equal parts glue and water.
Is that equal?
I think. I don't
You
know.
hope, you dream. Okay, mix, 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 mix. I feel like I've seen a lot of the 1 minute slime challenge, and I'm like, I could never do that. Not in my entire life could I do that because I'm so slow at making slime.
Oh, just at making slime though.
Yeah. I have this one slime in my collection. Oh yeah, I definitely got lighter. It's much lighter than the other. Oh no, it's so huge. Okay, oh, it's clicky. Okay.
You're done already?
No,
Wait,
I still have to add
no.
plum in.
Oh yeah.
I-
All your add-ins.
I underactivated it. I probably went fast. Oh my gosh, look how neon this is.
That's so neon.
You can see it from space.
Wasn't the other one green and they turned out the same color?
This one kind of just lightened. Oh my gosh, it really got hard because we didn't put it in the packet.
Look
Oh,
at-
it's turning jiggly.
Look at all the bubbles. It's crazy. Look. It makes enormous bubbles.
Ew, mine's wet. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to slime swirl it and put beads on it because, you know.
Oh,
What?
I don't know.
It doesn't really look jiggly though.
Isn't it? No? Does it need more water, do you think?
It might, but you should probably activate it. Okay.
I
so,
did activate it.
No, or fully activated, I mean. Like, so it's touchable and playable, and then you will know if it's actually. Okay, I'm gonna add some crunchy beads. Actually, we can't do a slime swirl because I made it too tiny, but it's fine.
I don't know. What's happening?
Okay, and we're gonna add some crunchy beads.
Okay.
Ooh, it's already getting crunchy, but we still have like 50 more. Ooh, it's kind of flaky. I usually use foam beads, not these kind of beads, so foam beads where they're center. But oh,
look at that! It's so cute. It looks like a toy.
It looks like Rudolph and his friends.
Rudolph.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, like, and his friends, all of his friends, came together and got smashed into a slime.
Oh, I wonder if yours is gonna weigh more because it has beads and clay.
Well, the clay, the advertising on Amazon said it was like buttons.
Oh, so if Amazon says. Wait a minute, is this just a regular slime? No, but I mean, does that look...
add water.
Oh, add more.
Ooh, is it turning butter? Or do we need to add mini potion?
Did you put clay in yet? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're putting it in. Oh, it's giant. Okay. Oh!
I didn't think of that. Ooh, does it spread? No, it's not spreadable. That's your sign. It's not enough clay.
Okay, I'm going to use this spoon to add water.
The baby spoon.
To mine, the baby spoon. Ooh, suck it up, suck it up. Suck it up, slimy. Okay.
I've always been a failure at slime. Oh no, the beads are falling out. That means
a jiggly slime?
A jiggly slime.
Oh, it's just so uncomfortable.
I know, it's just a little uncomfortable, you know?
This is pushing me out of my comfort zone. Out of my sensory comfort zone.
I'll move this to the bottom of the table so you know.
Okay, but I want a true jiggly slime, so I might have to add more water.
Is your water still hot?
Yeah, it's still hot.
Okay.
As I put it in this tiny little mug made for hot beverages.
That we got 6 years ago. We still have it. No, the beads are falling out!
Oh, uh-oh.
That means it's not liquidy enough.
Fall out, fall out. Okay. Ooh, this is really, touch it. Oh, you have to touch it. You have to touch it. You have to.
It's so wet.
It is.
Maybe the beads were a bad idea.
Okay, I think you're going back in here.
Okay. Prepare
for some more structure in your life.
I'm gonna try to take all the beads out because they were clearly a fail. Oh my gosh, I made it so smooth.
You're gonna take the beads out? But then it's not a bead and flows.
Well, but it's falling out! It's not a bead if they just fall out on their own either. I'm just gonna remove you. Removal!
All of them? Oh no.
It's stuck to me!
You want
anger?
Do you want some glitter? Okay. Oh! It's getting away. Okay,
It's escaping you.
Stop getting away. It is escaping me. Oh, look at okay.
Oh no! It's getting sticky. This last round might not be the best idea, but it's fine. You know, it's fine. I love this clay. It's my favorite clay.
I know. Butter slime is the best.
I know butter slime is definitely the best.
But I'm committed to success with my jiggly slime, and it feels pretty jiggly.
If it kills you.
Oh, wait, that's pretty cool. Nope.
Oh, it's wet. It's so wet.
Not supposed to be?
Yeah,
Oh, not still. Oh, not anymore.
It's supposed to be wet, but I don't think wet slime. And so if you want a jiggly slime, you can just buy store-bought slime because they don't make any other slimes besides jiggly slimes.
Really?
Well,
Are most of them jiggly slimes?
Most of them are jiggly slimes. Yeah.
Oh, this part right after you add water,
It's just disgusting. It feels like a jellyfish.
it literally feels like slime. Literally a slimy.
Ooh, look, it's turning into butter slime. And then at the end, we're gonna mix them.
I am feeling like I have a jiggly slime here. I'm happy. Feels jiggly to me.
Oh, that's still stretchy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, look. Can you see this? It's kind of jiggly. It's kind of sticky, so that's. You can't really see it in the camera because it's stuck to my hand, so it wouldn't, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some more clay.
Oh, it wasn't sticky when oh yeah. So that's jiggling. I felt comfortable with that. Okay. Okay, so
wait.
I am ready when you are to weigh it up.
And then mix it.
What?
And then mix it with the rest of the slimes.
Oh, are we gonna do that? Are you gonna make some fancy? Oh, we are gonna. Oh, look, mine. Oh, you can't. Okay.
You're just like a fancy version of unicorn poop.
Oh. Ah! No, this is cool because of the glitter that I used, it is
Kind of purpley.
It's kind of purple and kind of blue. So if I mix all these three together, or
Oh, how is there another bead?
Make a stripe.
Okay, I'm gonna make a slime swirl with them.
All right.
I don't know what the butter slime is going. Oh, there's another bead. How am I not feeling all of these until I find them? Luckily, they're all neon, so.
All right. Are we ready to weigh?
Yep.
Okay.
I think this is gonna be lighter than mine.
Oh, I don't know.
But water does
You know
expand
what? Water is heavy, and clay is light. So we'll see, won't we? Okay.
Last minute lotion.
Oh. Okay. So start with grams. Okay. Oh, 29! It's because of the water.
It's because of the water.
It is 29 grams, and that is 1 ounce. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Like it looks and feels like butter.
8. Oh, 0.8 ounces.
0.8 ounces. Oh.
And how many grams?
22.
20?
I won.
Okay.
Even though yours is smaller than mine, I still.
Let me see if I can tell by feeling it. Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The jiggly one is heavy. Huh.
Okay, let's mix them.
Okay, we're gonna mix them.
All of mine got hard, so we might have to add lotion at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna do a slime swirl. You can concoct them however you'd like.
Okay, so I'm gonna assume that there's water everywhere. So
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, I have 2 yellow. One was supposed to be green.
I don't know if it's gonna work because mine's jiggly, so it's not really gonna hold up in the same way.
Oh wait! Look how pretty.
I wonder
Again, Easter goals.
I wonder if I wonder if I have to turn my jiggly slime into a.
Nope. No takesies, baskets.
I mean, to make a swirl. I didn't know we were making a swirl.
Look, I told you at the beginning.
Aw.
Well, I told you before we were filming, so don't go back
and
say that I didn't do it, because I did.
Oh no! Oh no!
Can I do it?
The purple one is eating the blue one. Okay. Look at it's so pretty. Look how pretty mine is.
It looks like galaxy.
Oh, it does. It looks like galaxy. Oh, I love it. Oh, you can see it even better back here.
Oh, it looks more blue.
Okay, yeah, it does. That is so cool. All right, well,
I'm not some bullshit because
I think that so you had 2 lighter slimes, and I had 2 heavier slimes, and then we made amazing.
Wait, do you want to see who's?
swirls.
Do you want to see who's weighs more now?
Now that they're all together.
They're probably gonna lose because
Okay.
they jiggly slime. But
Yes, mine does feel very heavy.
mine doesn't. Mine, I love the color of it. It's like a baby orange or something.
Yeah, it does. Yours is creamsicle. Mine is grape deliciousness. Okay.
Great popsicle.
So mine is, stop moving.
57 grams.
7 grams, or exactly
2 ounces.
2 ounces.
You got yourself a little 2-ounce slime. You can sell it on Etsy.
It's a 2 ounce baby.
Just kidding, we're not selling it on Etsy.
No, Etsy.
Okay, mine. I have a feeling.
Just on my eye.
54 grams or 1.9 ounces.
You won by just 1/10 of an ounce. Okay. Well, I think that we can play with these some more, but we should probably end the video for now.
It's probably pretty long.
Yes. Well, that was really fun. What a good idea, Glitter Paws. Thank you for inviting me today. Is there anything you want to say before we're done?
I hope you're enjoying this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you want a shout out. Do those things. Also, comment down below. Hashtag Cat Kitten Squad. And you might get a shout out in a future video.
I'm losing it!